Nippon India Growth Fund, which is one of the oldest mutual fund scheme in India, along with that, which is one of the biggest wealth creator in Indian mutual fund industry. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you'll be getting a lot more update with regards to stocks, mutual fund, insurance, financial planning and lot more. Friends, today I'm going to discuss about how Nippon India Growth Fund, which has created a huge wealth for its investors. Let's start. Nippon India Growth Fund, which is established in 1995, it's been almost more than 25 years now. It's basically a mid-cap category mutual fund. It will predominantly invest into only mid-cap category stocks. If you have invested 1 lakh rupees in 1995, now your market value would have been more than 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. Over the last 25 years, the fund has delivered 22% compounded annual growth. Friends, if you have done 10,000 rupees SIP in this scheme for just 20 years, your investment value would have been 24 lakh and market value is more than 2 crore 50 lakh rupees. That's the power of long-term investment. That's the power of compounding. Friends, over the last 25 years, we have seen lots of ups and downs. We have lots of problems. We had war, we had recession, pandemic, and many more. And in spite of that, market has given a very good return. Scheme has given a very good return, and it has created a huge wealth for its investors. Friends, what I'm trying to say is, if you're new to stock market and if you're willing to invest for long term, you can just invest into a mid-cap category mutual fund because mid-caps, they're having a lot more growth potential. It's going to create multi-bagger returns for you in long term. If your goal is for a long term, it can be retirement, child marriage, child education. If it is more than 10 year plus, then you can simply invest into a mid-cap category mutual fund. In a longer run, it will create you huge wealth. Friends, the biggest advantage which we get from when we invest via SIP, there are many advantages, but I would like to discuss about 3 biggest advantages. First one is rupee cost averaging. Many retail investors, they will not invest into equity market. There are for many reasons. Sometimes they feel that market is too expensive and they will not invest. Currently market is in a bearish mode, market is in a correction mode, and they feel that it is not a good time to invest and they will not invest into equity market. Sometimes they feel that market is in a consolidation mode and they will not invest. Ultimately, they will not at all invest into equity market. In a longer run, they will miss the bigger picture. Friends, if you invest via SIP, when market is in an expensive mode, you will get less units. When market is in a correction mode, you will get higher units. Ultimately, your investment will get average. That is the biggest advantage you are going to get when you invest via SIP. The second biggest advantage you are going to get is you can start your investment journey as minimum as 500. Many investors thought that when we want to invest into equity market, we should have higher money. No friends, if you want to invest into equity market, you don't require big money. You can start your investment journey as minimum as 500. Many retail investors, what they thought that, so it's not our cup of tea and they will not at all invest into equity market because of this reason. The third biggest advantage you are going to get is the power of compounding. Albert Einstein once said that power of compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Of course, there is no doubt about it. If you invest early, if you invest regularly, and if you remain invested for a longer term, then power of compounding will create you huge wealth in a long term. फ्रेंड्स, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव वन ब्यूटीफुल एग्जांपल. आपने एक मुर्गी खरीद लिया. विथ दैट मुर्गी आपको दो अंडा मिला. विथ दैट दो अंडा यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टू मुर्गीज. फ्रॉम ईच मुर्गी यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टू eggs. From 4 eggs, again you are going to get 4 murgis. With that 4 murgi, you are going to get each 2 eggs. Overall, you have 8 eggs now. This process will keep on continuing. This is how power of compounding will work in a long term. Friends, I would like to give one more example. There are 4 persons: Raju, Akshata, Neeraj, Seema. Let's assume that they have started a SIP of monthly SIP of 25,000 and they are getting a 18% compounded annual growth. Raju, he has started his investment journey when he was 25. Akshata at 30, Neeraj at 35, Seema at 40. And all of them, they are going to continue their SIP till 50. Now let's understand what is their return now. The Seema, she started at 40. She continued her SIP for just 10 years. The investment value is 30 lakh, but market value is 54 lakh. Neeraj, he continued for just 15 years. Investment value is 45 lakh. Market value is 1 crore 84 lakh. Akshata, she continued their SIP for just 20 years. Investment value is 60 lakh. Market value is 5 crore 25 lakh. Raju, he started his investment journey when he was 25 years and he continued his investment journey till 50. Overall, 25 years investment journey he has completed. Investment value is 75 lakh. Market value is 13 crore 80 lakh. Friends, this is the power of compounding. This is how power of compounding will work in long term. Friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Please do share it with your community. And please do let me know next time which video you want me to make. Please do comment. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you so much.